Arnhem Land is a hot, humid and remote area in the northeastern corner of Australia's Northern Territory. The region consists of rugged coastlines, rocky escarpments, rivers, swamps and waterfalls. Its landmass is 1.5 times the size of Tasmania and its population close to 16,000, 12,000 of which are Yolngu people. It is one of Australia's last strongholds of traditional Aboriginal culture. On Saturday the 5th of November, I arrived in Arnhem Land to begin my work with MAF in this beautiful and diverse region. I am currently living in a Yolngu community called Yirrkala, which was established in 1935 with the arrival of the Yirrkala mission. Yirrkala played a pivotal role in our country's history, with the bark petitions that sparked Australia's Indigenous land rights movement founded in this community.
You see, it's roads like this all across Arnhem Land that make land travel time-consuming, dangerous and often impassable in the wet season. This leaves hundreds of communities and homelands all across Arnhem Land stranded, isolated, unable to receive the supplies and support they need to thrive. And that's why we fly. We're here to safely transport the Yolngu and the organisations who are serving them and helping to combat the poverty, the low health and education in this region. We're empowering people as they step out to serve the homelands and communities in these regions that would otherwise be without. And we're starting to see an impact. We're starting to see life expectancy increase, levels of health and education in the next generation begin to increase in this area. And that's what we mean when we say we're flying for life.